Are you looking for the best cleaner for Trex decking? In this video, we will break down the top 6 cleaners for Trex decking on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Oil Eater AOD1G35437. Thick, greasy stains and spills need the power of this degreasing cleaner to easily dissolve and rinse them away. This professional strength concentrated liquid removes oil and grease on multiple surfaces, including decks, walks, and siding. The non-toxic and non-corrosive, the powerful cleaner is well suited to decks with iron railings or stairs. Plus, this cleaner with water in a bucket and then apply it to the deck surface with a deck brush. The users can easily adjust the concentration of the cleaner to suit the extent of greasy stains. The ability to adjust the strength makes Oil Eater versatile enough for light, medium, and heavy-duty deck cleaning tasks. Moreover, it safely dissolves grease and oils on most everything. The product contains no acids, abrasive, or petroleum solvents, and is water-based and biodegradable, so safe for all uses even in septic systems. At number 2. BRITE 085900N. This cleaner is designed for use on non-skid decks, such as textured fiberglass or painted decks. It can also be used on vinyl, rubber, plastic, metal, and composite surfaces. It contains no harsh chemicals and is biodegradable, making it popular for use on boats because it won't harm any organisms if it gets into the water. It works with a very little scrubbing. It uses chelating agents to lift the dirt from the deck, meaning that minimal hard work is involved in achieving real results. ASOT, it leaves a protective barrier on the deck after it's been washed away, helping to prevent future stains and making it look like it's just been freshly waxed. At number 3. CITRA Shield. It will work on almost any exterior surface. Brick, vinyl siding, stucco, concrete, marble headstones, gravestones, sidewalks, patio furniture, wood, and composite siding/decking. Most outdoor surfaces can all be cleaned with a CITRA Shield. Also, it has no rinsing or scrubbing. After application you may see the reaction between CITRA Shield and stained areas change color. Black stains may turn brown or orange while green stains might turn brown. This is a good thing. These colors will go away over time along with the stains. It continues to clean long after application, for up to 1 year. CITRA Shield cleans most green stains in 1 to 3 days, black stains in 1 to 6 weeks, and roof stains in 2 to 4 months. Location, weather, and severity of stain variables affect cleaning timeline. Do you have a favorite yet? Well, we have one more coming up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon for instant notifications of our next review. And now back to our list. At number 4. Simple Green 8,541,813,566. This deck cleaner is one of the most environmentally friendly options. It is very concentrated for use with the pressure washer that you can typically apply with the brush. It allows you to cover about 6,400 square feet. Also, this OxySolve's outdoor cleaner is an unscented liquid deck cleaner suitable for any rough surface use efficiently. You can use it with complete safety that won't harm your skin or your garden plants. The main material of this solution is peroxide, which is an exceptionally effective cleaner. This is a simple spray on the mix that permits it to sit within a few seconds. Furthermore, this deck cleaner is also like a fence cleaner, and it is allowed for versatile use like deck surface and any wood or any outdoor items. It is also known as the powerful magic solution from Simple Green with concentrated formula. It contains non-acidic, biodegradable items without bleach. This product can virtually eliminate all green algae with mold from the garden or outdoor of the house. At number 5. Wet and Forget 800,006. This concentrated deck cleaner comes as a spray and leaves formula. There is no pressure washing, no rinsing, and no scrubbing required when you use it, and this can help ease the strain on your body while giving you more time to play yard games with your kids and friends. Also, it has a concentrated formula that is safe to use on virtually any outdoor surface without damaging it, and it won't strip any polish or sealant off of your deck when you use it. This cleaner is slightly different in the fact that it works over time instead of right away, and it can keep your deck clean for over a year. This deck cleaner works alongside the wind and rain to lift set-in stains and form a protective barrier to prevent further staining. 1 gallon of the powerful concentrate can make up to 6 gallons of cleaner, and it has a non-acidic formula with no bleach included. It can cover between 750 to 2,250 square feet, and this gives you more than enough concentrate for at least 1 or 2 applications each time you purchase it. It works well on small and large decks. After all, it is ideal for precise applications on surfaces such as sidewalks and fencing. Wet and Forget works overtime with the rain and wind to clean up moss, mold, mildew, and algae on virtually any outdoor surface. At number 6. KARCHER 9.558 to 144.0. It's formulated for use on decks and assorted other wood surfaces, including outdoor fencing. The concentrated liquid comes in a 1-gallon jug and makes 20 gallons of cleaning solution when diluted. Applying it with a pressure washer reduces cleaning time and virtually eliminates scrubbing. Also, this multi-purpose exterior cleaner contains sodium tripolyphosphate, a powerful cleaning agent that penetrates wood grain for a deep and thorough clean. During the application process, wear protective clothing and keep pets and children away from the area. Plus, avoid getting the solution on plants, and to be on the safe side, rinse any nearby foliage with plain water after cleaning the deck. Besides, it offers a wide range of home and garden cleaning products and is the trusted brand for creating a healthy and cared for home. Whatever the cleaning needs, from small projects to large undertakings, it has the ideal solution.